Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today I'm going to show you a brand new HyperShift pearl. I've never seen this pearl sprayed full scale on a car. I've never even seen it in powder form until today. I'm super excited to see how it turns out. Enjoy the video. So I got this little package today from my buddies over at KP Pigments, and inside is the brand new HyperShift pearl. So this is ZGT HyperShift. It's a white powder HyperShift. The reason why I'm such a big fan of the white powder HyperShifts is because you can put them over any base coat and get the awesome hypershifting effect. So this can go over white, gray, black, blue, green, anything, and it'll look awesome. Today we've got the DYC Mustang here, and we've got a red base on it. I don't think we've ever sprayed a HyperShift over red. Super excited to see how it turns out. But this pearl is funky. If you take a look at it, it's not a white powder in the way that they normally are. This is like a banana cream pie color, and this is supposed to shift from green to pink to purple. And I have no idea how the heck we're gonna get green to pink to purple out of banana cream pie. And there's also one other thing I want you to see. As I pour this out, if you can see it, watch how it falls. If I was pouring any other HyperShift pearl, it would just be clouding up and billowing everywhere. This isn't. It's just sitting there like a wet, lumpy powder, almost like the flour that you use in baking. I've never seen a powder like this before. I'm super excited to use it. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we finished up the project with the ZGT HyperShift, and this stuff is awesome. All I'm gonna say is you're going to see the ZGT in rotation on different base coats moving forward, and I'm incredibly excited to continue to play with this pearl. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of colors and car kits to choose from. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and you know what to do. As soon as you see that car, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I love reading your guys' feedback. It's Fonzie. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. finished up the project with the ZT fucking, what is it?
ZT.
Hold on.
ZGT.
ZTG.
No, ZGT.
ZT what?
ZGT.
ZGT.
That's what I thought.
All right, guys, we finished up the project with the ZG fucking whatever. $50, I forget it again. What is it?
ZGT.
All right, guys, we finished up the project with the ZGT HyperShift Pearl, and this stuff is insane. All I'm gonna say is you will definitely be seeing ZT fucking goddamn it. All right, guys, we finished up the project with the ZG. I'm so close.